This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am in the Alpine Connection, unit number 5 at Aspen Grove. If you're having trouble with the Wi-Fi is located underneath the television, the very bottom. If you need to disconnect, wait 3 minutes and then reconnect the power. That you're going to find right here. And then restart. You should be able to have the Wi-Fi username come back up, which should be the Cubs 2016. But in case it doesn't, what you might be looking for is going to be the other code, and that is going to be the SBG6580-2-DD066. And then if that does show up, you're going to need to put in the Wi-Fi security code, which is going to be right here, the B480. Typically, it does not have any spaces, so our recommendation is go ahead and put that information in, no spaces, and then try that. If you have any further issues or questions, you can always reach out to us. The landline phone number in the office at DoneRight Management is 208-634-0030. Cheers and have a good time.